Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer leads using Zapier from Shopify to Salesforce. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To transfer leads using Zapier from Shopify to Salesforce, first, create a Zapier account if you haven't already. Log in to your Zapier account. Click on the Make a Zap button to start the process. Choose Shopify as your trigger app by searching for it in the app directory. Select the trigger event, New Customer, from the options provided. Connect your Shopify account by following the authentication prompts. You will need to provide your Shopify store URL and some basic account information. Once connected, click Continue to set up the trigger. Next, test the trigger to ensure it's working properly. Zapier will fetch a sample customer from your Shopify store for this test. After the test is successful, click Continue to move to the next step. Now, add Salesforce as your action app by searching for it in the app directory. Select the action event Create Record from the available options. Connect your Salesforce account by following the authentication prompts. Authorize Zapier to access your Salesforce account by entering your credentials. Once connected, click Continue to configure the action. In the setup options, choose the Salesforce object type where you want to add leads, typically lead or contact. Map the fields from Shopify to Salesforce by selecting from the drop-down options. For example, match the Shopify customer email to the Salesforce email field. Continue mapping any additional information like first name, last name, and phone number as necessary. After mapping the fields, click Continue to proceed. Test the action to ensure leads are being added correctly to Salesforce. If the test is successful, Zapier will confirm that a new lead has been created in your Salesforce account. Once you're satisfied with the setup, name your Zap to keep it organized. Finally, turn your Zap on by clicking the toggle switch. Your leads will now automatically transfer from Shopify to Salesforce with each new customer added. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.